Hello gamers! Welcome. In this video, let's see how should you give sensors to Richter or Zotov in Stalker 2. Players face an early decision of delivering word sensors to either Captain Zotov or Richter, which subtly influences gameplay without dramatically changing the game's conclusion. Choosing Zotov provides a more action-oriented path, involving direct confrontations with soldiers and entry through a side gate into the sphere. Players will exit through the western checkpoint toward the chemical plant, receiving 1350 coupons as reward. This choice aligns the player with the militaristic ward faction, potentially improving relations with characters like Colonel Korshinov. Alternatively, selecting Richter offers a stealthier approach, beginning at the abandoned communication hub and requiring navigation through an acid tunnel to access a sphere. This route leads players to exit through the northern checkpoint into the garbage region, with a more attractive reward of 2024 coupons. Richter represents the independent Stalker faction and is portrayed as more sympathetic, which can enhance trust with characters such as Scar. While both paths present distinct gameplay experiences and narrative interactions, they ultimately converge without substantially altering the game's overarching storyline, making the choice a matter of personal preference and playstyle. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this. Thank you.